I think there's a really interesting piece here about building a business around something you love. You've got Andrew, who loves business, and you've got yourself that love set design, decoration, painting, art, creation, puzzles, games. How did that work with the combination? Because, Andrew, do you actually enjoy escape rooms, or do you just enjoy the business of it? Or how does this work with the partnership and doing what you love?
Yeah, I think I'm not naturally like Kate. I'm not naturally a puzzly, logical type person that would automatically like escape rooms, but Katie definitely got me into them, and now we love them. I think we've done over 100 now. So yeah, if I didn't like them, then I'd be doing something that I didn't love a lot. So yeah, I definitely really enjoy them now. But at the time, it was something that I enjoyed, and it was something that Katie really enjoyed. And together, the synergy was quite well matched. So our roles in the business are very well defined. So Katie is very much the creative side and very much the business side. And I think because we don't sort of overlap each other too much, I think it's quite nice that we know where each other stands. So in that sense, it's worked out really well.
Yeah, we discuss things together, but the person that kind of deals with that side of the business always has the final say. So there's never any stalemates on decisions.
And the fact that we're also a couple as well was, I think a lot of people were like, oh my gosh, you're going into business with each other and you're a couple, you're going to spend like every living hour together, which is almost true. But the fact that we're still together and still in business means that we've done okay. So no, it was quite a risk, but so far it's paid off.
And now we've been together longer running a business than we were before now. So obviously it's working.
From what I'm hearing, you're actually working on the business quite a lot. And one of the things I realized over the years is that if you do something you love, it doesn't actually feel like work and you're drawn to do it. And I know in the past I've had the Sunday night feeling where I just dread the Monday morning and going back to work. How has that been for you? Because you've built this business doing something you love, what do you think the impact of that's been?
I think we have two slightly different opinions on this. I think for me, I work when I get like a burst of energy for it, which is often because it's fun, we love it. And I think the freedom of running your own business and the nature of our business means that if I wake up and I don't feel like doing work, I just won't do any work for a bit and I'll just do it later in the day. And I often work quite late at night. I just, for some reason, get on better doing it like that. And yeah, it's just the freedom that we're completely in control. Sometimes we have to go in because we have to run the venue because one of our managers is on holiday or something. But almost always, the flexibility is so great that we never have that Sunday night feeling.